Hologram Projector by Zek. This is some next level Star Wars-esque late night fever dream sci-fi stuff that I have ever seen. You can hologram projector clothing assets onto your avatar now with Zek's projector shader. I found this while drinking coffee at a Waffle House while mindlessly, scrolling through Twitter on my phone, and his post popped up and my eyes lit up like an old person going through dopamine waves in front of a slots machine, right? I'm just addicted. Like, this looks so nice. Just look how beautiful this looks. This is drop dead gorgeous. This shader asset would be perfect for anything future or cyberpunk related. It's just so nice. The price for this is $13, which isn't that much for how beautiful this is and what you can do with it. I recommend checking out Zek's 20-minute instructional video on YouTube about the overview and how to set this up. He basically shows you step by step how this works. And on a side note, Zek also has a lot of really cool shaders that you can buy off of the shop page. So yeah, go check this dude out. He's got some cool shaders, man.